Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the military grade CELCIUS Tactical Pen. What is so special about this pen? It has a hidden blade. You can use this blade as a self-defense tool. Just in case, if you don't have the time to pull the blade, you can also use the tip here to defend yourself. The tip here is designed as a DNA collector as well, and this pen also has a glass breaker here. The tip here is made out of high carbon steel. Today I'm going to pretend like I'm lost in the forest and it's almost dark, even though the shopping mall is just behind me. What I'm going to do is to create fire with this pen. So that is the addition. What is the difference between the civilian version and the military version is that this pen is made out of stainless steel and the civilian version is made out of aluminum. Okay, and it has a flint where you can create fire. So I'm going to show you how. To create fire with this pen, you will need to remove the glass breaker first. If it's tight, just pull out the blade and then turn, put it back, and then you can remove it easily. Just remove these two parts first, and please don't lose it. There's a flint inside. You will need this. You will need the blade. Now let's remove the pen. You will need these three parts. First, put the flint here to extend the length so you have a better way to hold it. Now remove some of the material. We have prepared dry leaves, just a small part here, because we are not planning to make a big fire, just to give you some idea on how to create the fire. So remove some of the material here. And then strike. Okay, and then once the fire started, just put smaller leaves on top of it. Okay, so as I said, we are not going to start a big fire, it's just to give you some idea. And then once you're done, just install the pen. That's simple. I just got back and suddenly I had an idea, and I decided to make another video. So when you have some free time, you can remove the material of the fire starter first, and then you can store it inside the container, inside the pen, together with the fire starter. Okay, so now I'm going to put this first, and the small part here goes in first, so you have this powder inside. Okay, there are some rooms for the powder there, and then assemble the pen. Test. Okay, smooth. And then assemble this part like so, and then you can carry the pen. And in case you need to create a fire, just remove it again, remove the glass breaker, out the blade and then throw it on top of the dry leaves. And in this case, because we're at the office, just gonna use the picker. And then install it here to start the fire and tap it into, and find some stone or hard object. Not too hard because you want to remove it after. So we need to use the tube here to extend the length of this fire starter, and then you can have a better way to hold it. Now just pretend that this is dry leaves, and then you can strike, start fire. Oops, again, just tap it a little harder. Start fire. Come on. Like so. Now you have fire. And then reassemble the pen. Okay guys, thank you for watching.